Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can remove watermarks on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste the video, and for instance, I want to remove this watermark. I am going to freeze frame it. You'll need Pro for this if you have it. If you don't, that's totally also fine. But you're just going to select mask, and I'm going to add in this mask here, and I'm just going to place it above that watermark, and I'm just going to feather it out, bring it down here, and it's going to kind of mesh. It is a little bit better if you use the video instead to do that, because it will be a lot more similar rather than if you freeze the frame. You are going to have to blend it a little bit more. If you do have AI remove, that's even like better. So you can like remove okay, it needs to be less than 30 seconds. So let me just adjust it first. AI remove. And you're going to select the brush, and then you're going to remove it once it's done recognizing the video. You do have to do this in takes, however. And that is how you can remove watermarks on videos in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. As you can see, it's removing, but it's going to take forever, so just do it in your own time. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.